Okay, example 1F. Let's do a little rewriting here at the very beginning. See what we can get. Blue will be fine. Okay, so let's rewrite this one as the antiderivative of 7 minus 2x cubed okay, to the 4/3. All right, and then we have an x squared dx. Okay, all right, I think I'll do the pattern recognition first. All right, so obviously most complicated thing is the 7 minus 2x cubed to the 4/3. So if the chain rule had happened, the derivative of the inside would be negative 6x squared, and we have an x squared. So that's cool. So a negative 6 here multiplied, and then a negative 1/6 to make up for it. Okay, all right. That is all chain rule right there. So here we go. So I have a negative 1/6. Okay, I'm going to leave myself some space here. I have 7 minus 2x cubed. New exponent is going to be what, 7/3? Divide by the same, plus c. And I'm going to be done. All right, so this is going to be, that simplifies a little bit. What do we have? Negative 1/14, negative 1/14, 7 minus 2x cubed to the 7/3 plus c. And I'm just going to leave it like that. All right, now, so done. All right, now, but let's say you're like, I don't like that. I want to do U substitution because you're a lunatic. No, I'm just kidding. It's a perfectly valid way to do it. All right, so obviously U is going to be 7 minus 2x cubed. Okay, and that means that du would equal negative 6x squared dx. I love it when that happens. That's just so awesome. Okay, all right, now, okay, so back here looking, let's see if I can move some of this stuff out of the way that we included that I want to get rid of. All right, so that just got shot right off the page. All right, there we go. Okay, so looking over here, then now we're back to drawing. Okay, blue is fine. We've got a negative 6x squared dx. Well, I've got the x squared dx, so it'd be nice to know what that's equal to. So x squared dx, all right, should equal du, a negative 1/6 du. So negative 1/6 du. So you can see our negative 1/6 that I deleted is still coming back into play. So negative 1/6 du. All right, so here we go. So let's rewrite the integral then. So the integral now, I'm going to take the constant out front. So I've got negative 1/6. Okay, and then we're going to integrate a u to the 4/3 du. And I can see the appeal here because there's less going on there. All right, I had to keep the 7 minus 2x cubed involved and throughout the thing that I did over here, which lost some of it. Okay, anyway, all right, here we go then. So antiderivative then. So we have negative 1/6. All right, I'm going to go u. My new exponent is that same 7/3 that we see above. Divide by the same. You're seeing the same kind of stuff, right? Plus an unknown constant. All right, so final answer then, that's going to be negative 1/14. Don't hurry, don't hurry. And then u is 7 minus 2x cubed to my new exponent of 7/3 plus c. All right, so once again, and I know we're missing some stuff here. It was sent straight off the page here. Can we bring it back? Oh no, I don't even know. Okay, all right. But anyway, so but up here, I only had a couple of steps with the pattern recognition. Knowing that you needed that -6 was key. -1/6 was introduced, but it's the same -1/6 that we have right here. So that works out. So if you feel real comfortable with the u substitution, then by all means. Okay, I don't want to criticize it because it's a valid way to do it.